paano mo malalaman kung magkano ang maloloan mo sa bangko? Good morning, good learning everyone. This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. Kung tayo po ay bibili ng bahay through bank financing, there are two factors for your loan amount. Number 1, appraised value of the property. The bank will appraise the property, then the 80% of the appraised value ang pwede nating may loan. Kaya we usually tie up our townhouse project sa aming mga accredited banks to ensure 80 to 90% of the selling price ang pwede naming ipaloan sa aming mga buyers. Number 2, buyer's financial capacity. Here are the qualifications. Letter A, the buyer should be working for more than 2 years as regular employee or a businessman with 3 years good income. Letter B, the buyer must be in good health condition para makakuha ng MRI or mortgage redemption insurance which is required. Letter C, dapat at least 21 years old but not more than 65 years old. Letter E, lastly, your monthly amortization should be 40% of your monthly income. Example, your monthly amortization is 40,000. 40,000 divided by 40% is equals 100,000. So you should be earning more than 100,000 para makapag-loan po tayo na may monthly amortization na 40,000. If may other loans, i-add lang po natin ang lahat ng current monthly amortization then divide it by 40%. Then yun po ang magiging required income. Kaya mga ka-property, bago po tayo mag-reserve, magpa-compute po muna tayo sa ating agent or broker kung magkano ang magiging monthly amortization natin. Also, please provide your age para malaman po natin ang maximum years na pwede po tayo mag-loan. Kaya mga ka-property, na-compute na ba kayo ng broker or ng agent nyo before? Kung gusto nyo magpa-compute, please message us sa comment section below. For more real estate tips, please continue to watch and follow Kuya Broker and Great Temper Realty social media channels. Lamang po ang may alam. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa ating lahat.